With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so today's question is, a body of mass 5 kg starts from the origin with an initial velocity 30 I plus 40 j. If the body collides with a ball and after collision its velocity becomes minus 30 I cap plus 40 j cap, then what is the change in momentum of the body? So guys, see here in this question we have been basically given the initial velocity and the final velocity of the body, and we have to find what is the change in momentum of the body. So guys, we know that change in momentum of a body of mass m is given by delta p is equals to m v final velocity final minus initial velocity. So from here we can say that the change in momentum will be mass of the body, that is 5, into final velocity, that is minus 30 I cap plus 40 j cap. This one is our final velocity and this is initial velocity, minus this, that is minus 30 I cap minus 40 j cap. So from here plus 40 j cap and minus 40 j cap will cancel and it comes out to be delta p is equals to minus 5 into minus of 60 I cap. So this will be all minus 300 I cap. So our change in momentum is minus 300 I cap. So we can say that delta p is equals to 300 towards minus x axis. So this is our final answer. Thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.